Like I said before, almost 20 years ago, I started writing down a lot of my thoughts and stories to myself. And by the time I got to maybe 2010, I had hundreds of pieces of writings. I met a woman in February 2010, and she ended up becoming my second wife. So in February, we got together for our first date, and by Christmas, she gave me this for Christmas. This is a book of hundreds of pieces of writing that she published for me. So this is kind of special to me, but this is a piece I wrote quite a while ago, and I've made reference to it in a lot of other things, called Sunshine and Shadows. I like to dream of sunshine and holding hands, smiles and hugs. I'm not one to stay in the shadows. I like to stay in the sunshine. There's much more to me than what I show. I've had the bad dreams, I've let them go. I'm not in the shadows, I'm in the sun. I've heard it said, the light doesn't blind us, but helps us see. I like that. I'll keep dreaming and stay out of the shadows. That was something I wrote when, quite honestly, I was kind of bouncing back and forth between light and dark times of my life. And I really had to try to help position myself towards the good. And it helped me to put it in perspective that I'm trying to travel to the sunny place in my life. And though I might not be there entirely right now, I can grab little pieces of it as I go along. Or I can just put some positive thoughts in front of myself. So maybe that helps you. You know, a lot of times we get stuck just focusing on the negative and the stuff that's not working. Well, even if there's not a lot of good at the moment, there has been in the past and there will be in the future. So thanks for tuning in.